Hello guys, this is Utkarsh. This is my data structure lab, exercise number 2, implementation stack using array. In this I have a program, it is to demonstrate the working of a stack using an array. The elements of the stack must be assumed to be of integer, and there should be three functions: push, pop and display. Push, as you know, it should be to insert the elements inside the stack, pop to delete the elements, and display to display the elements in the stack. And there should be appropriate messages whenever required, stack overflow and stack underflow, which means that stack is full and stack is empty. So let's see our code. Here I have declared an array AR, which is of size max, and max is declared as 10. This array is work as in a stack, and there are three functions: push, pop and display. You know what are they going to work? These are their functions. In the main function, simply the program will prompt the user to enter his or her choice, like 1 for push, 2 for pop and 3 for display. And then there is a switch case. The program will check whether the user has input 1, 2 or 3, and according to that it will call the functions push, pop and display. And this whole will run 10 times, since I have used a do while loop, and it will return since ch is less than or equal to 10. Means the choice is, if the user enters choice beyond 10, it will terminate. And this is the push function. In this, we first will check if top is equal to max minus 1. That is, in this case max is 10, so top is equal to 9. Then it will display stack overflow, that is, the stack is full. Else it will prompt the user to enter the element. The user will enter the element and top will be increased, and the element will be inserted in the stack. And next function, you can see pop. It will delete the last element that is inserted, and if top is equal to max minus 1, pop. If top is equal to minus 1, then it will display stack underflow, and if it is not minus 1, like if it's a finite value 5 or 6, then it will display deleted element is AR top, and top will be decreased. Now the display function, it will display the elements of the stack if there are some elements, and if top is equal to minus 1, that is there are no elements, it will simply display nothing to display. Let us run the program. Suppose I enter 1 for push, then enter the element 1, and then again push. Suppose 4 times I did push, and then I display the output 3. Okay. See, you can see the elements of the stack are 4, 3, 2, 1. Now if we delete 2 elements from it, now display the elements, it's displaying 2 and 1. See, only 2 and 1 are left. So this is our first program's output. Now let us see the second program. It's based on the application of stack. In this, there is a conversion of infix expression to postfix expression, and we have to evaluate it using stack, as we have done in data structures. So this is our code. In this, I have taken an S as an array character array, as in stack, which we will use when we convert infix to postfix expression. And there is a push function which will push the operator into the stack, and a pop function which will pop out the operator from the stack. There is another function PR, which defines the precedence of the operators, which returns the precedence, and this is the main function. In this, I have taken infixed and postfixed 2 arrays to use as infix expression and postfix expression, and we prompt the user to enter the infix expression, and it will be stored in the infix array. And there's a while loop. It will run till infix expression finishes. That is, the infix expression, the null character is read, and inside that there's an if ch is equal to open bracket, means if it's open bracket it will be pushed into the stack. Else if it is an alphanumeric, like if it's some alphabet or some number, it will be entered in the postfix expression. And else if it's in a close bracket, all the elements that are inside the stack will be popped out and inserted in the postfix expression through this while loop. Let's move further. Further, there is an else in this. There is a while loop. PR, that stack is greater than PRCH, means it checks the precedence of the operator. If the operator which is being inserted is of higher precedence than the operator which is previously in stack, the last inserted operator, it will copy to postfix expression, or otherwise it will leave it as it is. And now this while loop will copy all the operators that are left in the stack at the end to the postfix expression, and at the end the infix expression as well as the postfix expression will be displayed to the user in the output screen. Let's run a program. Infix expression, suppose we enter some infix expression like 1 plus 2 divided by 3 minus that brackets, and 3 plus 4 divided by 6 minus 4 and bracket close divided by 4. See, this infix expression displays as we enter it, and the postfix expression, after evaluating it using stack, it is displayed. So this was our second exercise. Hope you understood it. Thank you and have a nice day.